Hi, I'm Guy, and I was talking about the easily adding photos to Google Maps. Now, I'm a local guide in Google Maps, so the instructions I've got, I know work from Google because I tested them, sort of like kicking the tires when you go to the car lot. Anyway, you open up Google Maps, and in the top left menu, that little hamburger menu, you select your contributions, and then from that dialog, you're going to select photos, and that's going to show you the photos that you publicly posted already. And to add more, search for a place, a location, and click Add a Photo. So you're going to have the location where it's going to be, home or whatever, and then add a photo. And a new window is going to pop up to add a photo to that location. The options are upload photos from the phone or your photos, stuff that you've got on the computer. So select a photo, and that photo is going to be submitted and will appear pretty soon in the Google Maps. Hope that helps. And like I said, I'm a local guide with Google Maps, so this information is what I use. If you're not a local guide, it could be the different steps. So try that out. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.